Hi, my name is Ali and I'm the Numeracy Consultant here at SPELD SA. In my work here at SPELD SA, one thing is consistently clear. When students struggle with maths, it is rarely about effort, but really about the missing foundational understanding of how number develops. With the implementation of the numeracy check in Year 1, you may have identified students who are at mathematical risk. What it means for these students is that their counting principles are not secure. Counting principles, for example, one-to-one correspondence, stable order, and abstraction, underpin our foundational number sense. In our Securing Early Number Foundation workshop, we go through each counting principle and how it relates to a child's mathematical progression. We show how to teach all the counting principles explicitly, but also to make sure that all activities are age appropriate. Because every child should have a strong start to their mathematical journey.